Wow, hello everyone, once again you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Valirino Christine. Thank you for following my YouTube channel. It is yet another interesting show. Okay, we've been learning about Google applications. This time around we are going to learn about something new. Previously, I've taken you through mail merging, hoping we have enjoyed. We are learning or we are discovering. This video, I'm going to take you through table of contents. Table of contents. Most of us have heard about table of contents. When we are table of content, it means table of content is a list of the sections or chapters in a document, book, or publication, usually with page numbers, hyperlinks, in order to help the reader or a person exploring through a book to navigate and find specific content from a book with ease. For example, most of us have had books, newspapers, magazines, novels, and in those books, at the very first page, there is what we call a table of content. There are those who they write there in subheadings or headings where they direct you, like if you want chapter 1, go to page 2. You want chapter 10, go to page 50. That's what we call a table of content. It has very many importances. For example, a table of content helps you to easily access stuff in a book or content in a magazine. Then also you can navigate through a book faster with ease. When also using a table of content, you are able to explore and learn more about a book, even minus reading inside the book, but just look at the table of content and know what the book will be about. Can also help the reader understand the structure and composition or organization of the book. For example, when you look at the table of content, you know how the book is organized. You know, is it in chapters? Is it according to phrase? Everything you find it in a table of content. Without wasting time, I think we can go direct to the point. In fact, I'm going to teach you people how can you create a table of content. Remember, I can create this table of content manually or automatically. Now I'm going to teach us the automatic way. Like, you have written your book, you want to direct readers like how to read your book, just come and create a table of content to help people access the stuff. Okay, we can start right away. When creating a table of content, we can use Microsoft Word or Adobe InDesign. But me, I'm going to use Microsoft Word. Yeah. First of all, you should have your document already typed, or you should be able to at least access a document on your PC, or you have typed in your stuff. Like me, I already typed in my document in word processor here and I've saved it already. So we are going to learn step by step. Now this is my document, and my document is about 6 pages. I think let me change the view. We may view it in multiple pages. Right now it is in one page, but you can view it in multiple pages. Hoping you're seeing. Like this is my document, which I want to put a table of content at the beginning. First and foremost, confirm whether there are page numbers on your document. Page numbers, go to insert, go to insert page number. And here they'll ask you, do you want the page numbers to be at the top, bottom, current position, or anywhere? You can choose, in fact, where you want the page numbers to be. As for me, I want them to be at the bottom of page, plain. And realize that the page numbers are already there. The page numbers are there. Close. These page numbers can either be in the header section or footer section. Yeah, hoping we are seeing the page numbers. You can first change the view back to one page. Okay, so I want to confirm and see whether all the pages have the different page numbers. I have to scroll through and see. Okay, page 1 is there. See, page 1. Go through page 2, page 3. So meaning all my pages have gotten pages. After inserting the page numbers in your document, we can now go to home. The home tab is here, and we have various features here on the home tab, but some of them I may not be interested in them. First and foremost, there is this tab here where we have draw, design, layout, whatever. We have font. Font meaning you want to change the appearance of your letter. So if you wanted to do any modification of your letter, to look how they appear, to change how they are appearing, just come to font. You can bolden, italic, underline. I think let us try it. Supposing I want to modify the real heading title, can bolden it. I can italic it, meaning I want them to be slightly lying. Then you can underline. You can even increase on the how are they appearing. You see, you can even change to the biggest, or you can do anything to your document, whichever you want. You can even change the way it is appearing here. You can do all the adjustments. You can change the background color, change the color, change the case, anything. We can do anything. We can even align it, like the paragraph. You want it to be on the left, in the middle, on the other right, on everything. You find it on your PC. Just navigate through those tabs and you'll discover what they are doing. Now I'm interested in styles. Since I want to do table of content, just come to styles. When you come to styles, you see here there is no more, no spacing, headings. So I'm going to use these headings mostly. So right away I start. One is start by highlighting the word. Just highlight. And if you want it to be heading 1, meaning it is going to be in heading 1, you want it to be like in the, you want it to be, viewing multiple pages, and see how my document is appearing. So we can highlight multiple, like hold down Control and highlight, hold down Control and highlight. Still holding down Control, highlight in a faster way. Control. We are going to learn these things slowly but surely. Okay. So you realize that I've highlighted all my documents. Just highlight, and go. If you want it to be heading 1, heading 2, it's all possible. Highlight and come and tap on heading 1 on these tabs here. If you have even minor headings among those, you can even go to heading 3, heading 4, even heading 10 according to your document. So after I've highlighted my work, I have to create a new, you have to create a new blank page for where the table of contents will be. Let me first change the view to one page. With it. Okay, create a new blank document, a new blank. Just come to the insert button here, insert button. Make sure your cursor is at the end. Insert blank page. See, I've created another blank page at the beginning where I'm going to create my table of contents. So after I've created my blank page, make sure the cursor is on that page. Make sure the cursor is on that exact page. After, just come to references, and in references, you see there is table of contents. Table of contents, we have automatic table 1, table 2, according to how you want your table of contents to look. You can, let's try automatic table. Okay, automatic table, and fine. I've just gone to table of contents and I just tapped automatic table, and my table has automatically been set. Wow, this is wonderful. Table of content, you see, meaning if I want education, here you see there is contents, table of contents. If I want education, just come to page 2. If I want non-formal education, it is on page 4. If I want, this is what you call a table of contents. Remember I said a table of content appears at the first, in most cases, on the first page of your book, of your table, of your textbook, of your magazine, of your hymn book. Like, it directs the user of how to access contents in a book, in a certain book. So you realize that my table of content is here. It has already been created. Wow, thank you for being a wonderful class. Thank you for following. In fact, you can even update on this table. For example, if you, maybe the content is outdated, you want to add in something, you can just come to update table, and you can update which page number, what do you want to update page numbers or entire table. You can correct everything from your table of content. Also, in here where we went to table of content, this tab of table of contents, we also have custom table of content. Here you can modify how do you want your table of contents to look. Do you want to align the page numbers, show page numbers, use hyperlinks? Everything you find it there in your table of content. Remember, as I told you at the beginning, a table of content will help you navigate through it will help you to navigate through a book, a novel. It can also help you to easily access contents in that book. A table of content can help you, a reader, understand the structure and organization of a book. So I encourage all of us to embrace the use of table of contents. In fact, we should learn it. Why should you pay money to go to a typist to help you create a table of content, yet you can do it on your personal computer? In summary, a table of content is a vital tool that enhances the readability and usability of documents, books, and publications. Thank you for viewing my channel. Thank you for this interesting lesson. Thank you for your attention. In fact, I'm so blessed to interact with you people. Share my videos, like them, and follow my YouTube channel. Thank you all. Valerina Christine is my name. Nice talking to you. Bye bye.